So when I say I want to buy a boat or get a boat or borrow a boat and go cruising up the river, this is the river. It's a big river. It's a really, I don't know how wide it would be. It'd be, 500 metres across. I don't really know how wide it would be, but I don't know how far it goes inland. Down this end of the river goes to the ocean, into the industrial area down near almost Rayongi area. But all factories and factories and stuff like that, and ships. Looking at Google Maps, I've never been down there in person. There's a real lot of this weed, floating weed in Char Chong Sao in this big river, and it clogs up and you get huge mats of it. Now, Uncle Tiger tells me they never had it a few years ago. It's only a recent thing. It's got a purple flower on it. I think everybody who has this stuff probably knows what it is. We don't have it in Australia that I know of. Yeah, so I reckon I could spend a day or two cruising up and down this. I never see any wind-powered boats in Thailand. They're always got motors on them or paddles. I'm not really excited about paddling. A river like this is wide enough for a dinghy with a sail, but maybe the wind is seasonal in Thailand. So any of you guys that know anything, I need help. One, about wooden boats of the Thai Asian style. Is there such a thing as an Asian or Thai boat with a sail? Or just got to get a noisy motor on it and put up the river or ring up the river all day. Okay, well I'm going to head back now. I'm going to try and find a few more boats sitting around, see if I can get some sort of a indication on price and things like that. These are the little rivers, the little kongs, the little creeks, I think we call them in Australia, but boats use them to get from here to there, and not so much to cart stuff nowadays, but they still see the longtails roaring up and down these things sometimes. But there's a beautiful little river. It'll go for miles, probably 100 miles, I don't know. Just looks like a lovely place to explore if I had a boat. You don't see any aluminium tinnies over here, so I might have to buy a little wooden boat. And the question is, what sort? A dinghy. Sail would be no good up there, so up these little rivers. Sail's no good, so I'm going to have to buy some sort of a motor. I would want something that's quiet. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Maybe a 4-stroke outboard. I don't know. Doesn't need to be big, I don't think. Anyway, look at that for scenery. For a bloke from the cold climates of Australia, Victoria, Australia, all this tropical stuff, all these banana trees and palm trees, is fascinating to me. I love it. To cruise up a river like that in a little wooden boat just sounds idyllic to me. And why do I want to do that? I'm sitting in Thailand. Why don't I go to the bars? I can drink beer all day. I can go to the beach and sit under a palm tree all day and have people bring me food. I don't know, everybody's different.